how did we got here? How did we got in the place that we're in America? Well, I want you to ask yourself a few questions. Have we got bad leadership? Have we become ignorant? Have we become complacent? Have we enjoyed too many conveniences? Have we normalized bad behavior? Those are the reasons why we are here. That's why we are in our country in the predicament that we are. Because of those things. Because of bad leadership, ignorance, complacency, convenience, and normalization. That's why. Plain and simple. And this video may come or rub people the wrong way. But it's okay. From time to time, we have to speak out and hopefully folks, or hopefully will resonate with folks. Because we have had bad leadership. Really bad. And I don't know. I'm not saying that every single president has been bad. But let's ignore the president. Because a lot of folks put all the weight on the president. No. It's who are under the president. Who are in the local levels. Those are the people who affect us the most. People, bad leadership, they are there for themselves and that's it. You know, listen, I'm going to be honest with y'all. When you see a politician who goes into power, not rich, and comes out rich, there's a problem. Because government jobs should not pay much. In fact, government jobs are there, to help people, to serve people. When was the last time that a government employee thought that they were there to serve people? No, they don't think that way anymore. They think that you are there to give them their paycheck and that is it. Vote for me, shut the hell up, and keep on moving. You are nothing but a peasant. That's what they think. So that's bad leadership all around. Ignorance. People, we have become ignorant. We have become too complacent. Oh, well, this is better. It's better the devil we know than the devil we don't know. I lived through all of that. How can we say that? Well, this people, work across party lines and whatnot. Well, we have been hearing the same rhetoric for years. Where are we? We're not any better. We are worse than ever. So you think that one party is better than the other? I'm sorry to say, but they are all the same. They are all in cahoot. They're all against you. Plain and simple. No, we need disruptors. We need people who go there, people like you, who go there and call it for what it is. And forget about the whole convenient thing. Forget about this is going to be my political career. No. You go there to serve the people. You go there, to stop the whole complacency thing, to we kind of compromise. There's no compromising anymore. There isn't. We in bad shape, y'all. Really bad shape. There's no more compromising. You're either to make America great again or you need to get out. You either to put our values back in their center in front line or you get out. There's no more compromising. That we just can be ignorant that if we continue down this road, there's not even a reversal whatsoever. We're not going to have a remnants of what we used to be. We just won't. And the thing is that people have normalized all of this bad behavior. People have normalized having bad leadership. People have normalized the ignorance. People have normalized the complacency. People have normalized the, I need just to be, it's convenience for me. And that's it. People have normalized all of that. Guys, we need to stop all of that. We just need to stop it. We have to stop saying to folks, oh, well, you would do okay. No, we got to call out when they make a mistake. Whether it's politician in government, whether it's personal, we have to call out. We cannot cater anymore. If you make a mistake, you need to be held accountable for it. That is it. If you put yourself in a bad situation, you need to be held accountable for it. You cannot expect others to come and bail you out. You can't, because the same people are going to keep on making the same mistakes over and over and over. Whether it's government, whether it's regular people, whether it's your family, you cannot continue to enable those bad behaviors. You cannot keep saying, I understand where you're coming from, when you know that they are making a mistake. You cannot come in here and say, well, we just got to give government a little bit more time and they will get their act together. Really? Really? They haven't got their act together in how long now? How long? When was the last time that we didn't have debt? Put it down in the comment section below. Maybe then they had their act together. The moment that we got into debt, that's it. That's it. When we're talking about individuals, you cannot go around and get and just cater to people's mistakes. I know you're going to do better next time. So right now I'm going to help you. So here, I'm going to give you some so I can help you. When you know that the same individuals are going to make the same mistake over and over and over because they don't learn. They don't learn because here comes you, the savior, the enabler, and help them. You're not helping anybody. You're sure as heck are not helping me. You got to hold people accountable. That is the only way people learn. The only way. The same with government. You have to hold them accountable. Call them out. Every single time that they screw the pooch, you have to call them out. Plain and simple. Individuals, if they make a mistake because they were too ignorant, because they're just too stubborn, call them out. Don't give them a free pass. Oh, well, it's family. Call them out. You know that uncle that people like always like, oh, it's just mean. He's not mean. He cares about you because he calls you out on your BS. People don't want to call anybody on their BS anymore because, well, it just hurt their feelings. You know, I told my son the other day, it is not my job to care about your feelings. It is my job to raise you as a man, and hopefully you will pass on the values that I'm teaching you to your family later on. And that is the problem. Personally, I think that has been a huge problem in this country, that people love rewarding bad behavior. I don't understand why. I just don't understand. And I also love when they say, well, but it doesn't affect you. Well, let me ask you this. But every time that those individuals who make mistakes go ask for help, government help, who you think is paying for that? They are? No, you are. I am. Therefore, it does affect me. Their mistakes, their inability of taking responsibility for their actions is affecting you and is affecting me. No more. Call them out. That is how we got here, because we did not call people out, and we need to start doing that. With that being said, let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I hope to see you in the next one.